Alright, y'all. White elephant time.
One gift wrapped horribly, no refunds. And if I end up with socks again, I'm stealing from Grandma.
Hey there, Joel the Junk Man, Hope the Litter Hound. We run every day and pick up as much litter as we can fit in our bag. Today is my family's Christmas celebration, and we do a white elephant. And I got my white elephant box here. So they're gonna get something from my box. Duck, license plate, book, who knows? Maybe it's something we find today. Let's go shopping.